Okay, you take the safe control and then remove the protective seal. Take your pen, screw into the needles, remove the green cap, prime into the lowest dose just to remove the air bubbles, prime into the correct dose, inject to your patient's skin, wait until 10 seconds and remove your pen. So you can use either your thumb or your first finger to activate the safe control. Until you hear the tick sound, that means your safe control already activate. So you see the orange indicator. So you can just remove the needles and throw into the sharp bins.